Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Engineer Singh. Today's tutorial I will show you how to perform one variable statistics operations in scientific calculator, which include mean, median, mode, etc. So I'm using Casio FX991EX calculator. Follow the simple steps. So without wasting any further time, let's start our video. So let's start. So the first thing you need to do is you need to define whether you require frequency or not. For that you need to go to setup, press shift and then go to setup. After that, wait, I will show you once. Go to shift, then press setup, scroll down and look for statistics. You can see number 3, it is shown as statistics. Press number 3 and you can select whether you need frequency or not. I am going without frequency. If you require frequency, you can go with frequency. Now you need to activate the statistics calculate mode. Open the menu, look for statistics. It is defined as number 6. Press equal or number 6 and your mode will be activated. Once your statistics mode is activated, now you need to select any of the function. I'm going with the first one. Define the value of the x. If you select frequency, the frequency will be shown right next to x. Define the values. Yeah, that's it. I'm going with simple example. Now what you need to do is you need to go to option and select number 2 and you will get all your results: mean, median, mode, summation x square, standard deviation, variance. Even you can scroll down for more results. That's it guys. Thanks for watching guys. If you like the video, hit the like button. For any questions and queries, you can comment down below. Do subscribe our channel and yeah, don't forget to turn on the notification for further updates. Thanks again for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.